So this is our fourth year as a group coming out and hunting Merriam's turkeys out west, and we've had a lot of success as a group and just going to the same area each year. And this year we had a little bit of a wrench thrown into our plans with some road closures, so last night we had to set up in a foreign spot in the dark, and all I did last night was look over some maps quick to try and find a spot to go in the morning, and I'd done that. It looks pretty, but I haven't, looks like it hold turkeys, but I haven't heard a gobble all morning, so, or not all morning, I shouldn't say all morning, it's only 10 minutes past shooting light, but it's been dead silent, and I think I'm going to give it a little bit more time for turkeys to come off their roost and move slowly into this creek bottom and hopefully catch something gobbling before they shut up for the morning. I've been hunting real slow through this pine timber since I didn't get any gobbles off the roost, and I just picked out this clearing to kind of sit along, and I did some yelping as soon as I sat down and immediately got yelps back. I never saw the turkey, but it kind of worked up this side hill on me here, and it's been about a half hour since I'd heard those, and now I've got gobbling going across the way up into this ravine here, and he sounds like it's further than he sounds closer. He's probably just turning in circles and gobbling, but he's at least a couple hundred yards away. I'll probably do some calling here, see if I can come this way. If not, I'm going to work my way slowly up in there, but I've got something to hunt now. Hell yeah. I got hen that I imagine what was yelping at me when I first got over here. She's still yelping across the way where I first started calling, but yeah, she's yelping right there. I don't know if you can hear that, but I did decide to jump over here, and I gave this Tom a couple of yelps, and she started yelping across the way, and I was hoping he'd at least be a gentleman and meet her halfway, and sure as shit, he ended up working his way down. And it's funny owning turkeys. I hear drums all the time out of them at home, and I wasn't quite sure if he was going to make his way here because he got a little bit quiet, and then I heard him drum. And I knew he couldn't have been more than 20 yards away, and he kind of worked his way out behind these shrubs, and I'm pretty sure I got the shot on camera, but either way, he came right out in front of me. I think he was just about to go onto a strut here, and I freaking waylaid him, but yeah, it's awesome. I got to hear all the sounds and got to see all the sights, and now I got a turkey, and I'll probably go film Dad and Steve now, but super fired up about this, and can't wait to go back and show them.